Okay guys, hi, welcome back. I'm just sitting in my car waiting for my kids to finish school, so I thought I'd do a quick video. So today we're going to talk about the AI infrastructures for cosmetic clinics. Okay, so I'm Sarah, I'm the founder of SJM Digital and the architect behind some of the most powerful AI infrastructures transforming cosmetic clinics, dental practices and med spas and more. So today I wanted to have a real conversation with you, because right now most clinic owners are either overwhelmed, they're skeptical or completely frozen when it comes to the topic of AI. And I get it. The tech seems confusing, the jargon is exhausting, and if you're already flat out trying to run your clinic, learning AI probably isn't the top of your list. But what if I told you that clinics scaling past the 500k months, and they're still taking weekends off, going on holidays, are the ones using AI right now to replace the manual workflows, boost the sales and eliminate the chaos. So let's unpack exactly what that means, and by the end of the video I promise you'll have a clear, grounded understanding of how AI can actually work inside your business and not against it. So let's talk about the shift that changed everything. November the 30th, 2022, AI broke into the public like a tidal wave with ChatGPT's launch. 5 days later, ChatGPT hit 1 million users, faster than Facebook, Instagram and even TikTok. The game changer. For the first time in history, AI was in the hands of non-tech people. The opportunity. AI gave business owners access to decades of experience, intelligence and problem-solving power on demand. You didn't need to have a PhD. You didn't need to be a developer. You could ask it questions, get the answers, generate the content, write the scripts, code, build the workflows, launch systems, all using everyday language. And that is where the opportunity absolutely exploded. So AI is not just tools, it's infrastructure. It's the operational backbone. AI becomes the foundation of your business, stacked infrastructure, multiple AI systems working all together, and a virtual team. It's like hiring 5 elite staff members in one system. So let's clear something up here. AI isn't just about ChatGPT. It's not just content or cool automations. AI, when done right, becomes the operational backbone of your business. It can replace 2 to 3 admin staff with systems that never sleep. It books patients or appointments via voice, AI voice callers, SMS, email, or DMs instantly. Personalized follow-up messages based on behavior, and it analyzes sales calls and coaches your team automatically. So next we'll go on to the opportunity cost you're not seeing. So monthly loss. So if one $1,500 injectable consult slips through the cracks daily, that's a $45k monthly loss. If 2 $25,000 surgeries aren't booked due to slow follow-up, that's a 50k revenue loss. If your receptionist forgets to rebook 5 loyal clients a week, that's a 10k monthly missed opportunity. So let's talk money, because not using AI is already costing you more than you realize. So for example purposes, now scale that across the whole year. So look at those figures and scale that across the whole year. We're just talking this is just months for an example. Imagine how much you're losing a whole year. So you're not insufficient, it's your systems that are insufficient. Okay, your systems are broken. The AI plugs every one of those gaps instantly. And your team can focus on the client care, focus on what they're best at, not chasing the leads, confirming the bookings or answering how much 5 times a day. So why clinic owners are scared, and you shouldn't be. The common fears: I'm not technical, I don't want to replace my team, I don't trust robots to talk to my patients. It's totally fair, I get it. But the reality, you're not replacing people, you're removing the pressure from them. You're creating a system that supports your staff, fills your calendar, reduces the burnout, and actually allows your business to grow without adding more hours or more humans. Patients want fast answers, personalized replies, and smooth booking experiences, right? AI delivers that without your receptionist staying back late or anyone working overtime. So let's address the elephant in the room. What's possible, even beyond CosmeticAI, okay? Patient experience, patient onboarding and education, pre-op and post-op sequences, sales and communication, sales calls analysed and script generation, inbound calls, routing agents, AI social DM responders. You've got the multi-support, so your multi-language front desk agents, content creation, videos for your socials, avatars of yourself. Now, I'm known for building the CosmeticAI. It's a full stack AI infrastructure we implement inside cosmetic, dentals and med spa clinics to take over their entire client acquisition and conversion systems. But let me tell you something. That's just the beginning. This is just a small part. This is just a small offer or a small system that we can plug into these businesses. If you've got a vision for your clinic, automate whatever you visualize happening in your clinic, we can engineer it, we can do it, we can make anything happen. AI isn't here to replace you guys. It's here to finally make business run the way you've always dreamed it, okay? You dream it, we'll do it, we'll make it happen. It doesn't have to be scary, and that's where I think business owners get so scared of implementing this. They're like, oh my god, it's AI, I don't want robots in my business. But like I said before, it's not that. It's to simplify things. It's to have smooth operations without paying extra staff members to do stuff, without the burnout, without burning the existing staff members, and to make your life easier. It's all optimization and making your business scale and grow faster. So, what do you do with this? What you don't do, don't bury your head in the sand with this. The clinics embracing AI today are going to be 5 to 10 years ahead by 2026, by next year. Start asking better questions. Where am I losing time? What processes are still manual? Where am I dropping the ball on follow-up, conversion, or client experience? Find someone who can build this with you. Someone who understands your industry, your bottlenecks, and your business goals, and can custom build an AI system that fits. So number 1, don't bury your head in the sand. 2nd, start asking better questions. And 3rd, find someone who can build this with you. Want to talk about what this could look like for you? Did this spark some curiosity, and to see what's possible for your clinic? Clinics and businesses are seeing return on investment within 90 days. They're seeing results within a few weeks, to be honest. But basically, the offer that we do is a 90-day partnership. If you can, book a walkthrough. There's no pressure, no tech overwhelm, and we can go through what's working. This video isn't a pitch, okay? It's just a wake-up call to open your eyes and just don't be scared. Don't be scared of AI, and don't bury your head in the sand over this. You want your clinic to be best. It's your baby. It's your life. It's probably something that you've worked for a very long time. So you want to kick butt. You want to dominate in your market, in your industry. If something in here sparked your curiosity and you want to see what's possible inside your clinic, send me a message, book that walkthrough, and I look forward to talking to you.